This here is the 2006 P71 ex-police car. Some fleet vehicles are faster, some fleet vehicles are slower than others, depending on what they're used for. Highway patrol, they have different tunes. City patrol have different tunes. Standard issue government vehicles have different tunes, depending on what the department calls for, whether it's better gas mileage in the city, if they don't do too much chasing or whatnot. They tend to have different tunes on the vehicle. So we're gonna hop in this 2006 P71 to see how fast she is stock. She will be receiving tons and tons of modifications in the near future, so you guys make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification for future uploads, and smash that like button to get these videos exploited all over YouTube. Let's get started. All right, this will be a 0 to 60 in a 2006 Crown Victoria P71. This is a ex-police car. Not too bad. She is bone stock. Spun the wheels a little bit back there as well. We're gonna turn around and do a 20 roll. So from 20 to 60, then we'll do a 40 to 60. She pulls very hard on the road, guys. That's one thing I do know about these Crown Vics. From a dead standstill, it takes a little bit of time to get this car rolling, just because she's a behemoth, you know. She weighs more than a whale, so. All right, 40 to 60. 60 already. Might do a 60 to 80 depending on how much gap I can get in between me and this van up here. Or we'll just do a 50 to maybe 70. Going uphill as well. That's 70. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and that gives you guys some insight on what to look forward to if you are in the market of purchasing a Crown Victoria. 2004 and below is going to be a little bit different. 2005 and higher, it's going to be different. So depending on what you want, this here's a 2004, easier to mod. 2005 and higher, come with a few more electronic things that you need to bypass to actually mod and make them faster. But you can, you can basically do the same things. So, dyno tune for this 2004 modded Crown Victoria on 30s coming soon. Pro Charger, Supercharger, or Turbocharger for the 92 Fox Body Mustang coming soon. Or we may be selling to open the door and pathways for the other two projects and to start our business. And we have our daily driven 2006 P71 Crown Victoria that's currently bone stock that will be receiving a bunch of new modifications coming soon. Not knowing if we want to do an engine swap or a remote mount turbo. You guys need to stay tuned for that. So 2Time Moto TV out, guys. Stay linked in with the channel to receive these future uploads. And until next time, peace.